This is an Arduino Uno. We've got power, a number of attachment pins up here. These say digital, here power, and here analog in. Some of the digital pins have got little tilde and say pulse width modulation. Others don't. There's ground up there. Tilt it a little, can see different voltages for 3.3 volts, 5 volts, 2 ground connections at the bottom, and up at the top another ground connection. This is also an Arduino Uno. This version we call a shrimp. Consists of the basic Arduino type chip and a breadboard, and all the connections have been manually attached. This particular version doesn't have a built-in power connection. Attach a battery or add a little UART serial connector like this to connect to the computer. A third Arduino Uno, a big difference here being the chip has been physically attached and can be removed, whereas in the first Arduino the chip is built onto the board, but they're exactly the same. It's a computer program called Fritzing that enables us to virtually build an Arduino circuit and see where the wires are going to go. The numbers on the picture of the Arduino are the same on the real Arduino. So you have 5 volt supply, a ground, and 2 components, an LED and a resistor. This is exactly the same circuit shown for real rather than the circuit diagram. Just tilt it. We should see a connection for 5 volt and 1 for ground. The circuit being powered directly from the computer. LED stands for light emitting diode. Diodes pass current one way only and not both. Got a long leg and a short leg. With the diodes the current goes from the positive through the long leg, then back out through the short leg, then back to ground. This shows the same circuit with the diode the wrong way round, but it doesn't light up. There's no damage though. In the running example, the Arduino is only producing power. There's no logic inside it, working the same as a battery. Send the circuit through one side of the LED and back out of the other. The purpose of the resistor is to reduce the overall current so that the LED doesn't burn out. The resistor has been replaced by a variable resistor, which if we twiddle it will make the light dimmer or brighter, and all it's doing is just varying the resistance so more or less current passes to the LED. It's an example circuit. This would be the schematic showing the current flowing through the variable resistor. This shows the connections on the circuit.